Hey guys, welcome to our channel from the house. In this today's video, we will learn about the three new tools or updates in Onshape. Well, we have been lack of many videos, so I'm going to three new updates about Onshape. Okay, first of all, let's learn about this new tool. That is, you can also upload in the new update called Onshape Dark Mode. This is a new extension has come to the Chrome Web Store, and with this extension, we can change your appearances in Onshape dashboard as well as in the drawing interface. Just simply go to the website and click on Add to Chrome, and it is a paid one, guys. So you need to have subscription. Okay. First of all, let's add the extension to your Chrome browser. Okay. Once the browser came, just click on it and this is the pop-up will come and you have to log in. Either you have to buy, either you can use the sounded right. So I'm just going to work with login because I already logged in with this. Okay. Just simply click on it. And the email is not showing. So let's start with the sounded right. And to the email, start with free type. Okay. I already logged in, just simply close it. Come to the Onshape dashboard, just need to open the extension, click on it, and change the view. Here is not changing. To make the changes get into effect, just refresh the browser for the tab. Okay. So here we go. The document view is complete, change into dark mode. Even you can also customize the appearances. So see, here's the dark mode. You click on dark mode, click on light mode, default, or dark. You can insert any one. And if you want to change this size as well by using this color dragger. Okay. And it will do red, blue, green, everything. And you can keep the default. Every appearances will be changed, and this is mostly useful for who wants to work with night times with Onshape platform. Okay. So you can also see everything is changes, but we have to be yes, we have to be updated with these appearances. So most of us can't able to work with this. Okay. So if you like it, I will provide this link in the description. Just go and add to your Chrome browser. Okay. This is how to work with the Onshape. And personally, I don't want to work with any dark mode because when with the dark mode we can't see many changes, but with the light one you can observe many changes before. Okay. So if you want to opt out, just simply remove the extension and just refresh the again, so you will get the normal mode or normal interface. Okay. This is the one of the update most of you likes. And another update comes the guys. Just simply hide these, simply hide the curves. Yeah. Now I'm going to edit this simple sketch. Okay. You can see you may already know that Onshape sketches are in blue color. But if you want to customize there is a new option comes that you can also change the appearances of the sketches. Just simply go to the appearance panel and click on sketches and see, you can see the sketch number. This is sketch 4. Click on the appearance, right click. Click on the appearance panel some of the sketches. Okay, it's my counter phone. We need to refresh because of the dark mode. Some changes are not getting reflected here. Okay, and just edit the sketch again. Upon to the panel, on sketches, insert the sketch. Okay, simply select the sketch. If it is not working, just simply add appearances. Just come to the sketch. Yeah, now it's working. Just simply right click it, click on edit appearances, and change the color whatever you want. You can change the colors one after the finish the sketch, not in the edit mode. Okay, so keep in mind that guys. Okay, that's why before you can't able to change. You can add as many colors you want. You can customize it with which color you want. Okay, simply add blue, simply add black. Default work with the black, right? So let's go with the other colors and see. And now we don't need to get confused with the sketches, what which one we are working with. Okay, the sketch screen. Okay, like from such screen with appearance. Let's give wireless color switch. And here we go. Now we can clearly observe a clearly visible to what are the different sketches. So don't need to confuse with the and check with the feature tree. Okay. This is the one and second update, and the third update is I'm going to explain the one feature tool, that is profile generator. I think you might already know if you work with the profile generator. This profile generator basically is for generating the Airfoil profiles. Okay, just right now, just simply right click and just hide the all sketches. Okay, now come to the front plane, select the plane, and click on profile generator, and it will ask the pane like this. So select the plane, it's already selected. Okay, if it won't work, just select the plane, and with the plane and point, it has 2 points as well. Okay, so for that, I'm going to select this plane. Try a simple line where we get that 2 points. Okay, just do dimension 200. Make constraint this line. Okay, sorry. Okay, it's getting confused. How it is. Okay, select the profile generator, select the plane, and select the 2 points of the line. And we got the profiles, and you can change the airfoil shapes as well if you don't want to work with it. We have several airfoil designs. You just need to select which one you want. See, we are getting several type of airfoil designs. Okay, and this is a single spline type, or if you want, you can also customize with upper and lower. If you want to smoothen, you can also smoothen The smoothen wheels means at the end there is smooth point will be formed. As you can see, these type of changes will come. You need to manipulate on yourself. Okay, and it's a straight line or curve. We can even customize the upper and lower positions as well. So you can see it gets smoothened because we set that the curve instead of sharp point. With the altitude and magnitude, you can simply adjust the profile as well with these values. Okay, I just want to alter. Okay, I just want to keep straight. Nothing more changes I want, and I want to send this line and click OK. Now we got the profile. Okay, with this you can simply create the airfoils by using the extrude. Simply like this. I know you can also draw the wings as well with the tool called wing structure. With wing structure, it is basically used to design the wing using the profile generators. Okay, the profiles which are generated by profile generator tool. Okay, just like these. So right now it's not working much. I have to search more to exact how it is working exactly. Okay, I will get back to you soon definitely with this tool, how does it work. Okay, so for the summary again, what the three updates we learned that one is the profile generator, and second is the dark mode in Onshape, and third one is change appearances even in the sketches as well. And for more, if you want to learn more about Onshape, please do subscribe our channel and stay tuned for more updates, or if you want to new tools, if you want to learn new tools, you can also join or subscribe our channel for more updates for sure. Okay, and in the new updates we will learn about solid translate. Presently it's temporarily unavailable. Soon it will get to update, and I will definitely share with you how to work with the tool, and it is pretty useful for the solid work users as well as the Onshape users. Okay, that's all about today's video, guys. If you like it, please do like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.